And kapag work from home ka, you have to really invest on your equipment. So when you say equipment, that would be your computer or laptop, headset, noise canceling most of the time. What else? Of course, all the accessories that you need, like mouse, keyboard, good camera, right? So if you have a built-in camera already in your laptop, that's fine as long as, it's clear. It will look more professional if you have a clear camera and a clean background. Should be clutter-free as much as possible, or you can use a virtual background. Make sure that you have a well-lit room as well. If you need to buy a ring light, or just make sure that you're on the right angle, there's enough lighting. In terms of internet connection, basta importante here is it's a postpaid type of service kasi mas magastos ang prepaid one, and it's not stable. If it's prepaid, usually data lang. So might as well go for a wired connection. And usually, agencies would require wired connection kasi mas stable. Normally, you would have to commit to investing in a backup a computer, laptop, and backup internet. Why? Siyempre, naman, here in the Philippines, sobrang uso yung outages.